On the occasion of National Science Day, different awards are bestowed upon selected individuals and institutions to recognize their outstanding achievements in the field of science and technology in the preceding year. These include the National Council for Science and Technology Communications Augmenting Writing Skills for Articulating Research Awards and the National Award for Science and Technology Communication. For the year 2020, the National Award for Science and Technology Communication has been awarded in various categories. For outstanding efforts in science and technology communication through books, magazines and print media, Dr. S. Anil Kumar, a science writer from Kerala, has been given the award. For outstanding efforts in popularizing science and technology among children, Indian Resource and Development Association, IRADA, in Haryana, and Mihir Kumar Panda, an engineer from Odisha, have been awarded. Delhi physician Dr. Shifali Gulati and environmentalist Dr. Rakesh Khatri have been awarded for science and technology communication through innovative and traditional methods. Dr. Krishna Kumari Challa, a science communicator from Telangana, has been selected for the National Award for Outstanding Effort in Science and Technology Communication through the electronic medium. National Technology Awards are also given to mark the occasion. For the successful commercialization of innovative indigenous technologies, 12 companies have been selected for the year 2020. The awards are given under three main categories by the Technology Development Board, a statutory body of the Government of India functioning under the Department of Science and Technology. For the first category of awards, Messrs. L&T Special Steel and Heavy Forgings Private Limited of Surat and Messrs. Vinati Organics Limited of Mumbai have been selected. For the second category of National Technology Award, Messrs. AKS Information Technology Services Private Limited of Noida, Uttar Pradesh, Messrs. SVP Laser Technologies Private Limited of Chennai, Pune-based company Messrs. Khan Biosys Private Limited, Messrs. Algair Nutra Farms Private Limited of Thanjavur have been selected for the National Award. In the third category of awards, 6 startup companies are being awarded with the National Technology Award this time. These include Messrs. RAR Engineering Private Limited, Delhi, Messrs. Fibroheal Wound Care Private Limited, Bangalore, Messrs. Altheon Tech Innovations Private Limited, Hyderabad, Pune-based company Messrs. KB Coles Sciences Private Limited, Messrs. Shira MedTech Private Limited, Ahmedabad, and Jaipur-based Messrs. Nundra Innovations Private Limited. These awards have recognized industries and their technology providers who have worked as a team to bring innovation to the market and contributed to the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat.